Okay, let's make a Jamaican beef patty, but with a twist. It's keto, believe it or not. So to 2 cups of almond flour, I added baking powder, xanthan gum, and then the next step is monk fruit, and then for the color and flavor, turmeric. To this bowl, I added 1 egg, and then melted cream cheese and mozzarella. And then you're gonna mix that in the mixer or by hand until it turns into a dough. You're gonna also add in the almond flour mix to that. So just keep it going until it forms itself into a dough that you can handle. About a few minutes, and then on high, and it'll be done. It'll take a little bit longer if you do it by your hand, but either way works, whatever you have. So there it is, delicious yellow dough. So from there, you can see how it kind of forms like a pizza dough. It feels like a pizza dough. So I moved it into the same equal portions, and then I flatten it down. The next step is to just let that rest. We're gonna work on the filling. So to the pan, it's medium high. I added a very fatty ground beef to it. I did not start the pan with oil. Added some salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna render that fat out and go ahead and start mixing in the jerk seasoning and just continue to keep cooking. And then we're gonna add in a few more things to this. So the next step is to add in some powdered ginger or fresh, and then a crushed chicken cube. That's like the island secret. And then gelatin to make everything come together, the sauce, and that way you get that gooey patty. So once we're done with that, you're just gonna bring it over to the flattened dough, and then you start stuffing it. So at this point, don't even worry, don't even think of it as low carb almond flour or anything like that. Just fold as if you're folding a regular patty, empanada, doesn't matter. Use the same technique for any type of dish that had required flour to make a dish like this. Even chicken pot pies, whatever you want to do. Anyhow, so you're gonna fold it like a regular patty. Don't worry about the holes on the top because you need a hole there anyhow to steam, or to be a vent for the steam. So here are all the patties, all done, and they're ready to go into the oven. So the next step is to take it, put it in the oven, preheated at 375, and then you're just gonna cook that until the tips are golden brown, just like this. Look at that delicious yellow color coming out of there too, like wow. So that's it, you're all done. So the next step is just to take them out. You can let them cool for a little bit. It's gonna be pretty hot on the inside of it, and we're ready to plate. So let's take a look at it. I wanna show you something. I wanna show you how crispy it is. I'm gonna show you how flaky it is. Just wanna show you, it's really low carb substitute to your favorite dish. Well, one of my favorite dishes. So here it is, golden brown. The golden color came from the turmeric, and look at the crispiness. And I don't have the volume on that, but that's loud right there. And then if you notice, it just cuts just like a patty. It's crispy, it's flaky, it's juicy. I don't know what else to say. It's just simply delish. So give it a try. Hope you like it. Thanks so much for watching.